And welcome to Homeschool Connect Expo. Welcome to our online homesteading fair that we are having all month of September. And we have some exciting things and giveaways and so many little products and services and companies to highlight. So we have another one today, and this one's really cool. Goat Milk Stuff. I'm just not making that up. That is a real company, and they have some cool stuff. Let's send it over to Kelly, that's in the kitchen with all the information, and let her explain more. So take it away.
Hi, guys. I am super excited about this one today. Goat milk stuff. Years and years ago, my mom started using goat milk soap, and she would get it from different places, different shops, boutiques, and that sort of thing. And she really loves it, and it helps her skin, it keeps it nice and smooth, and she looks considerably younger than she actually is. And I never really got what was so unique about it until a few years ago. Sam and I ordered our own set, and we really fell in love with it as well. What we were able to do is get the Jonas family, this beautiful family in Indiana, to partner with us so that we could give away their products. And we are so excited to do it. I can't even tell you how good my kitchen smells right now because I've got all kinds of scents going on in here, and I'm super thrilled to show them to you. So the Jonas family lives in Indiana. Sam and I were born and raised in Indiana. We have driven up and down the highway and seen their gigantic billboard sign for years, and we've just never stopped. And I think that this next trip up home, we're going to stop and visit with the Jonas family. But I'll show you their picture inside they sent out this little booklet called The Banner with their little goatees on them, and that's their family. It's a beautiful family, and they have created a line of products, actually, that you all need to know about. So, goat milk stuff. They have soap. They have, I want to say they have like laundry detergent. I know they have shampoo. I have one here, but their main thing here are these bars of soap. This is what they have sent us. And admittedly, I went a little crazy because I wanted to give as many of you the opportunity to have a package of their stuff as I could. They offer 3 sizes of their bar soap. I have 2 of them here today. So they have this standard size. It is obviously a very large standard size. They have a travel size that, by looking at the picture, appears to be about a quarter of this, maybe a third the size of the standard. And then they have this Mongo huge mega size. I think that's actually what they call it, the mega size. It is large. I mean, you can see it's probably 2, maybe 2.5 inches thick. And they come in all different flavors. We have rose. I'm going to read you some of them because I was so excited about these. Black raspberry. I mean, my goodness, what a fun scent. Cranberry spice. When we got the box, that was the first one that Sam got his hands on. And I don't even know that he gave it back to me. He loved it so much. They have lavender peppermint, all kinds of things like that. One of the things I thought was really unique was tea tree. Tea tree, they have it in shampoo and in soap, and I think I have one of each. The tea tree shampoo, my son has this weird, almost eczema on his scalp. And we thought for years something was wrong with him. And everybody kept telling us, no, it's fine, it's just eczema. Well, he found that if he uses tea tree shampoo, it clears up. So I was super excited when I saw that they have a tea tree shampoo bar of soap. And I'm going to see if I can't. I mean, I have all of them. One of the things I want to point out, when you order their bars of soap, they come in these super sweet little burlap sacks with their logo on them. And each one has this scent written on it. So this is a tea tree soap. I want to find that shampoo bar so I can show you. I should have done this a little bit faster and earlier. And this is not the tea tree, but it is a different shampoo bar. But it looks exactly the same as the hand soap. And you just stick this in your shower, lather up, wash your hair. Amazing. This is the OMH solid shampoo. And it just it smells delicious. So I have, I don't know, probably close to 50 bars here that we're going to be breaking into 5 different giveaway packages. So make sure you register for those. The other thing that I wanted to point out that I ordered because I thought it was super fun is this liquid soap. It's made of filtered water, olive oil, castor seed oil, raw goat's milk, which I thought was amazing, and some essential oils. And it's just what you expect. It's a little foamy hand soap. And so we have the 4 ounce, and then we have the refill. Oops, I just knocked that over. The refill to go with it. So somebody's going to get a really fun thing for their kitchen there. I'm going to go wash my hands while Sam shows you their website because it is super neat to see.
All right. Hey, thanks for letting us know all of that, and it does smell amazing in there. So, all right. So everybody, let's let me jump and share now my screen here, and we'll get rid of Kelly so that way she can go wash her hands and everything else. So anyway, homeschoolconnectexpo.com. That's the first place you're going to want to go to. And this is what you will see. We scroll down. We got some ads, some news that's happening here and worldwide. The even one I think today about France. But anyway, you just go and click on the homeschool or online homesteading fair, and it will take you to this page. And here is where you will see a button to go to see the chickens that we are raising, Cornish game hens for Murray McMurray Hatchery, and then the giveaways right here. This is what she was talking about. Is right on the same page, right down here. The giveaway sign up, first name, last name, and your email. That's all we ask for. And just the continental US is all we're doing right now. Sorry, Canada, Mexico, and all the different places around, Alaska and Hawaii. Sorry about that. But with prices and some of these things weigh quite a bit, we're just doing the continental US right now. So anyway, the make sure you do the giveaway on here. But this is where you'll see all the other listings. But you click on the goat milk stuff, and this is where you'll start seeing the information about goat milk stuff. Videos, information about the goats, pictures, what is different about their soap and about goat milk soap in particular. Some really cool facts and so much information, and you'll be able to get to see their goats as well too. But right in the top right, click on their website, and you'll be able to go right into their website, get some special offers, sign up for the email list. That's very important. And then you get to see all the information about all the soaps that they have, the liquid soap, which is very unique when it comes to goat milk soaps but laundry soaps and all different kinds of things, and then balms and lotions and powders and pretty much anything that you're looking for, different skin types. They will allow and show what works best for these different things that they have, which is really, really cool. So they've been on everywhere. This is a real deal. This is a big thing. They've been all over the place, because it's so unique, so cool. And they have so many different things that you can go into, the milk and honey, the tea tree, the lavender. I mean, I cannot express just how much the smells that come through. I wish we could have smell-o-vision because it is absolutely amazing. The smells, and different combinations that I never even thought about that you could do. They've done. It's so cool, so amazing, and I'm so thankful that they're a part of the Homeschool Expo and about the Homesteading Fair. So goatmilkstuff.com, that is them, and go check them out. Jump into the fair, and that way you can see all the things that we have and get more information about the goat milk stuff. And thank you so much. We're going to wrap it up here now. for this time that we're sharing with you about the goat milk stuff. Thank you again, and just thank you for being a part of Homeschool Connect Expo. Share with some people, and share if they're homeschooling, if they're thinking about homesteading, all that stuff. Share it with them, and because we have some really cool products, really cool things on there, and anyway, take care, and we'll see you later.